It's a decent Saturday morning. It's not too hot yet. The lady has a tattoo appointment at noon. So I took some takeoff parts of the Prelude that's getting turboed. We're going to throw this AEM intake. We're going to put that AEM cold air intake on the Wagon. Just cuz. All right, so far not bad. Bolt 10 millimeter there, 10 millimeter there, takes off that whole housing. Loosen a Phillips on the throttle intake, unclip a couple of these things. Nothing crazy. This one is gonna plug back in. So yeah, not bad. Let's see how the new one fits. So yeah, hose clamp there, plug that back into that. Unfortunately, I don't have the little bracket that attaches to the old 10 millimeter spot, so that's going to be a little loose for today, but that's okay. Not worried about that. I just got to grab it from Carlos. Yeah, super easy. So let's see what it sounds like. So yeah, obviously not a hard job to do. Couple bolts, couple screws, couple hose clamps, tiny bit of fear, I guess. I always get scared working on anything that I'm gonna break something, but has that cool little intake sound. So yeah, stoked. This thing so far has been absolutely killer. Smooth drive. Got new tires on it, got an alignment done. Got my little ghost guys, my little valve stem guys. Those glow in the dark, by the way. If you don't like it, I don't care. I got the headers, but Carlos put a V-band to connect it to the test pipe or to the rest of the exhaust on my Prelude. So now that it's off, I want to get the headers put on, drive it down to his shop with open headers, have him weld up the V-band, you know, connection, test pipe or whatever. So I think next I'm either going to paint the valve cover or get a powder coated one or something. And that's about it. Work on this sound system, get the stereo sounding better, because not all of it works. The front speakers don't work. I don't think the subwoofer's kicking on. So yeah, just function test that bad boy, replace what needs to be replaced, and rock it. Yeah, this thing's cool. So have a good one.